So now let's see how we can apply out various effects to our video clips inside of Shotcut. So over here you can see that I have a video clip, and in order to add in various effects to it, you can go to the filters option, or you can go to view right here and go to filters. So now once you do that, you can click on the plus button, and over here you can see a few filters that you can apply right here. But I'm just going to go around onto video and select out a filter that I want right here. Here you can see that there's a lot of filters that you can apply right here, as you can see. For example, there's vignette effect right here, which you can click, and that allows you to add in vignette effect. So you can see the video before the filter by clicking on this checkbox right here, and after right here. You can increase and decrease out various properties over here just like this, and you can see the difference. So you can go around, work around with the opacity right here, work around with the radius, as you can see right here. So in the edges you can see the effect right there. So depending on what you're using, you also have different presets that you can use as well. So now what you can do is you can simply go around, add in more effects as you want to. Let's say, for example, you want to blur it out. You can add in a box blur, as you can see, to blur out the footage right here. I'm just going to press the minus button right here because I don't want to add in a blur. So I'm going to go around, add in, let's say, something else. So I'm going to go around right here. You can also add in flip to flip out the video, as you can see right here. So you want to completely flip out the video, you can use this. You can go around and add in other effects as well. So I'm just going to go around right here, use sepia tone, and you can see that it becomes like an old movie right here. You can go around with the default, you can work around with the cyan red right here, and work around with those as well. So let me just go around right here and see what other effects I have for the video. There's also one for audio, as you can see right here. You can stabilize and so forth, as you can see. So let me just go around onto wave, and you can see that it is a bit wavy as you do like this. So speed, let me just decrease this. You can increase and decrease the wave right here. So let me just keep the wave around one right here. So 1 may be a bit too much, so I'm just going to go around with 2, and you can see that the video waves has been applied right here as I work around with this. You can also increase out the speed right here, or decrease out the speed, as you can see right here. You can deform it horizontally or vertically, as you can see right here. You can work around with them as well. So let me just press, let's say, for example, I want to search for a particular effect. I'm going to go around and type glow right here. Then what happens is that the glowing effect is applied onto this right here. You can go around onto filters, add in as many effects as you want, but when you have a lot of filters, then it does actually start to slow down as well, which is normal. So after you export out the video, all of the things are actually like normal right here. You can work around with saturation, increase out the saturation, that is the color, as you can see right here. You can go around and then add in different things, like you can go around and scale it, as you can see right here. You can go around right here, apply effects as you want, and simply work around with different effects as you want. So you can go around. So let me just go for let's say, for example, I'm going to go around, select out contrast, increase out the contrast right here, and you can see that the clip becomes entirely different right here from the original right here. You can enable and disable each one of this of the filters over here as well, according to how you like it, and then see the final result. So that is how you can add in various effects inside of video clips inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.